present in Santi Niketan Medical College today to give you honest reviews about this college, and today I will show you the infrastructure, the college campus. So let us visit the campus and know the actual reality. Santi Niketan Medical College is situated in Bolpur. Bolpur is a city and a municipality in Birbhum district in the state of West Bengal. Bolpur municipal area includes Santi Niketan. Bolpur is approx 162 km away from Kolkata. The roads leading to Bolpur from Kolkata are in proper condition. Hence, Bolpur is easily accessible by road. Bolpur is also connected to Kolkata junction by daily trains. Santi Niketan Medical College is established in 2021 and has also got permission for 150 medical seats in 2021 itself from National Medical Commission. This college is recognized by National Medical Commission and affiliated with the West Bengal University of Health Sciences. Santi Niketan Medical College is India's first public-private partnership medical college under National Medical Commission Act. It is a private medical college. Talking about the campus of Santi Niketan Medical College, it has 25-acre self-contained campus and has excellent infrastructure and learning resources that collectively provide a stimulating and enjoyable learning ambience. The hostels accommodate over 200 boys and girls. Student amenities are within the campus, that is playground, swimming pool, auditorium, garden, prayer places, co-op store, bookshop, canteens, cafeteria, etc. The campus is Wi-Fi, eco-friendly being mobile free, vehicle free and plastic free. Talking about the hostel of Santi Niketan Medical College, the girls and boys hostels are separate with all basic facilities. The hostel is under 24-hour CCTV camera surveillance with good security system. Double occupancy hostel rooms are available in Santi Niketan Medical College with attached washroom and balcony. Hygienic, homely and healthy food for all the students and scholars is available in the college campus. The hostels have spacious dining halls and messes which serve breakfast, lunch and dinner as per the daily menu with special diets. Moreover, there are food courts and college canteens where the students can go for tea, coffee, cold drinks, ice cream, snacks, and different varieties of food throughout the day. The college has unique museums where medical facts and oddities of the human body are on display. A collection of over 300 dissected specimens and 500 models are carefully preserved. The human fetus from a month old till its mature stage and other fascinating rarities such as huge tumors removed from the body are exhibited, making it veritable bank of a visual reference. The Anatomy Museum is one of the best in India. To understand the complexities and of to keep pace with the advances in medical science, experiments and case studies need to be conducted in well-equipped labs. The college has an array of modern laboratories with state-of-the-art equipment. Trained staff provide assistance and guidance to the students. This is a unique facility to train the students using simulation technology. They get hands-on opportunity to perform clinical procedures on models, mannequins, tissues and simulators. The purpose of the skill lab is to provide a safe environment for students to learn, practice and be observed performing skills in a simulated environment, thus mitigating the risks involved in direct patient exposure without adequate preparation and supervision. You can also contact us for further informations like fee structure, admission procedures, documents required, etc. on the given numbers provided.